Hi, welcome to Shirley Home Learning. Today we are going to cover the number system. This comprises of three parts. In this video, we are going to cover how to read, write and expand the numbers. In the subsequent parts, we will be covering odd and even, prime numbers and composite numbers, factors, multiples, etc. So today's contents, we are going to be reading a number, write the numbers, expand numbers, then we are going to have the concept of period in the number system, and at the end you will have some exercise to practice your skills. So the learning objective for today's lesson, to be able to read numbers up to 100 billion, to be able to write numbers up to 100 billion, and to be able to expand a number to show its place value in the number system. So the reading number. So now we'll go through the steps to read the numbers. So the step 1, if you know how to read a 3-digit number, you can read any of the large numbers. So here is an example of a number which has got, let's say, 9 digits. So these commas that you see, they are called the periods. They have a name. So here are the periods that you can see in front of you. So this is the ones house, and the comma here is called the thousands. This period is called the thousands, and the comma here is called the millions, and this one is the millions house, and this comma is called the millions. So these are separated by the commas. So for example, if you want to read a large number, let's say I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a very big number. It has got 9 digits. So the large numbers are always written in periods, and they are grouped into 3. So after every 3 digits, you can see the comma. So the first comma, as you can see, the color also represents, so this is the millions period. And the second one, this is the thousand. So when we are reading a number, so I'm just going to think of the first 3 digits. So if it was just 1, 2, 3, I would have read it as 123. So when you have such a big number, you just read 123 million. And then in the second one, 456,789. So how do we write numbers? If you know how to read a number, you can write any of the large numbers. As reading a numbers, your writing numbers can also be separated by the commas. Large numbers are written in periods, and they are grouped into 3. So let's say here is a number. So I'll give you an example. Let's say we want to write the number 10,208,145. I repeat again, 10,208,145. So you should have written 10 million. So this is my millions period, and this is my thousands period. So because it's 10, I'm going to write 1 and a 0. 10,208,000. So 208,145. So I would put 145. So your number should look 10,208,145. So now how do we expand a number? Let's say we want to expand the number 154,267,389. So the steps would be, so if you know how to read a number, you should be able to expand it. So first we are going to write the digit. So first let's write the number again. So I said 154,267,389. So that's a very large number, and I'm going to try and expand this number. So in order to expand this, I'm going to look at the first digit there. So it's 100 million. So I'm going to put 1 and then count how many digits are after that 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need 8 of those zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put a plus sign. Then the second digit is 5. And then I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put a plus. I've got 4. And then I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I've got 2. So I'm going to write it in the next line because there isn't enough space. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Then I've got the 6 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got this digit 7. I've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I've got the number 3. I've got 2 digits after that. Then I've got 8. So that's how I expand my numbers. Now that we have learned all the skills, let's practice what we have learned. Now it's your turn to try and work out these questions. You can pause the video and have a go at working these out. These are some more questions. You can pause the video and have a go at writing these numbers. Hope you're able to understand and follow the steps. Please do get in touch with us if you have any questions. You can visit our website at www.shirleyhomelearning.com or email us at admin@shirleyhomelearning.com. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next part where we are going to continue with our number systems.